Hi, this is the Opera Godfather from Jacob & Co. for the Mechanical Exception category in the GPHG. The Opera Godfather by Jacob & Co. combines two time-honored Swiss traditions, complicated timepieces and music boxes. Contained within its 49mm sapphire crystal and black DLC titanium case is a triple-axis tourbillon and a two-cylinder, two-comb mechanical music box. When the pusher at 10 o'clock is activated, the entire structure holding the tourbillon, the time display, and the music box turns clockwise 120 degrees while playing the iconic theme from The Godfather. The time display uses a patented differential gear system that makes sure the orientation of the dial is always correct. In fact, the dial turns counterclockwise while the hands keep time normally. Jacob & Co. secured the exclusive rights to use the Godfather logo and music from Paramount Pictures in the amazing Opera timepiece.